Welcome to this lesson, and this is one way of doing this particular sum. So I'm going to pick out my numbers first, 2 times 5, and actually just group the similar terms together if you like, and then times by x squared multiplied by the other similar term or like term to that because it's got the same base, the x cubed. And then last of all multiply by the y cubed and by the y to the power 4. And then 2 times 5 is 10 multiplied by, and then the rule, keep the base at the powers, so 2 plus 3, x to the power 2 plus 3 multiplied by y to the 3 plus 4. And then that's 10 x to the power 5 and then y to the power 7. So that's how you do that one, and you don't have to include this step. I've just shown that step as a way of grouping together the like terms. So I'll do another example and I'll show you how to do it without doing that step. So in this example I'm going to multiply my numbers together first, so 4 times 5 is 20. Then I'm going to pick out my two x terms, so multiplied by x to the 3, and because I'm multiplying them and the power on this x is 1, I'm going to add those two powers, and then I'm just going to pick out the powers on my y terms, so y to the 7 plus 5, and this just shortcuts the method of doing this by one step, and 20 times x to the power 4 and y to the power 12. And then of course you don't have to write that multiply sign in there last of all in the final step. And voila, there it is. That's how you do it. Just pick out your numbers first and then pick out the like terms and add the powers together, and then that's how you do it. So not as hard as it looks is what I'm trying to say. So it's just really knowing what to do, and that's about it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.